Alright, here I just download it, save it, open folder. So here's my new tune. And so what I do is I go to Accessport right here, and I make sure it's connected. So it's connecting. It's connected right here. So I'm gonna go to Maps, and then I'm gonna drag this over. Hit yes. Okay. And then you can see 1.5 is right here. And all I do is eject, and I can unplug this. And it's gonna be powerless, and that's when I go plug it into my car. Okay, here I take this right here, and you guys can see there's a plug right there. And I'm going to plug it in, just like that, push it in. And this is gonna be powerless till, or well, I think I need to turn on the car, but just press it, don't like actually start it. So it's gonna say, please wait, it's gonna try to connect. Turn all this off. Then I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to Tune, change map. It's gonna take a second. And then I'm gonna go all the way down to 1.5. That's the mode he wanted. It's gonna say, hey, you should plug it into a battery. I've never done that. I mean, my battery's pretty good, so it should be good. And that's gonna take a minute to, well, it should start loading. Please wait while Accessport generates vehicle data. It should go. It usually goes quicker than this. I don't know why. There it goes. See 0. And it'll start going. And then I'll catch back with you guys when it's closer to 100. So as you guys can see, it already loaded pretty quick. That was like 1 minute, 2 minutes. So it says successfully cleared codes, ignition, change back successful. So turn the vehicle off for at least 15 seconds. And that's it. It loaded a new map, and you guys can unplug the Accessport like so. Just set it over here, and we'll start up the vehicle and let it run a little bit, and it should have the new mode on there. Roll these windows down and turn off traction control. So I'll hold that down for like 10 seconds, and it'll say advanced track off. I hit OK. So I always drive with that off, and I'm going to take it for a ride. Alright, my tuner wants a wide open throttle log, so it says not logging right there, you can see. He wants it in 3rd gear, AC off, traction control off. 3rd gear pulls from 3,000 RPM to 6,000. I usually just go all the way up. And so all I have to do is hit this button to start logging, and then hit that button to stop logging. So I'm gonna, once I get over this hill up here, I'm gonna do it, and you guys can see, I'll show you how to do everything. So I'm gonna press the button, it's gonna start logging. If I can turn around. So my tuner wants 2 of those, just so we can make sure that there's no engine knock or anything like that. So I usually go up over here and then turn around. go, we turned around. I'm in third gear. Not logging, so I'm gonna press log. It's logging. And I'm pressing the gas. Okay. So we went up to 26.75. I think this is a little high. Alright, I wanted to show y'all how to hook the Accessport up. You guys can see that it's just a little one on the side there. So it's going to connect to, I'll put that slide off there, connect to my PC right here. And so what I do is you click right here and you go to data logs, and so it's going to be so now that I have it on my desktop, oh, here it is, 17 and 18. So I'm just going to select these. Oop. 17, 18, and put them in here, send them to my tuner. That's all I do. I send them off and boom, pretty easy. So right here you can see that it's kind of working. It's pulling the data off there. You can go back to your Accessport and just hit eject, and it says not connected, and so it goes to that screen right there, and then you can just unplug it, and that's it, guys.